Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this really beautiful coquette nail set. It's so pretty. It has encapsulated real flowers and I used nothing but gel to make it. So if you want to learn how to make this nail set, please continue watching. So we're just going to jump right into it, you guys. I am using this dynamic gel polish in the color 07. Literally, Dynamic has some of the best gel polishes, especially like if you do gel X nails or press on nails. Look at that color. It looks like so acrylic like, which I feel like if you're a press on nail tech or a gel X nail tech, that's like what you strive for, is like those beautiful acrylic colors. So I'm so happy that I found this brand Dynamic. Not only do they have good gel polishes, but they also have really good acrylic powders as well and acrylic products, and their products are really affordable as well. Anyways, so I'm applying this color on the thumbnail, the middle fingernail, and the pinky nail all over the nails. So here I'm taking my little super cute Hello Kitty plate and I'm going to be applying my Dynamic white gel polish. It's in the shade 020 and I'm going to be applying a good amount of that on my little Hello Kitty plate, and I'm going to be taking a liner brush and creating my French nails. And I'm going to be creating the French nails on the thumbnail, the middle fingernail, and the pinky nail. Now I'm going to be taking my super tiny small detail liner brush, and as you guys can see, it's like super small, super tiny, and I'm going to be dipping that into some of the white gel polish, and I'm going to be creating the little lace design on this white nails. So as you guys could see here, I'm just creating those little that little lace design. Super cute and super girly, and I don't know, I feel like this just really makes this set. And before I move on doing that lace design on the next nails, I decided to flash cure that design just because I didn't want to mess it up. Sometimes when I'm doing the other nails, I tend to lean my hand sometimes on those nails, on the thumbnail, and it can mess up that lace design. So I just went ahead and cured it in place and then moved on to the next nails. Once I was done creating that lace design, I did go ahead and put a little tiny white dot in between those little like half circles that I created. Now we are going to move on to the other two nails, the clear nails. And on these nails, I am going to be encapsulating real flowers. So these are dried flowers. They're real flowers. As you guys can see, I'm taking a light pink one and some dark pink ones. This is how they look. These are so pretty, and I've been dying to make a set using them. And this is, I'm just showing you guys how they look. They're so pretty. And I did have a little bit of a struggle with these encapsulated nails. I know how to encapsulate nails with gel, but for some reason I was having a lot of problems because these flowers are a little bit thicker than like other things that I usually encapsulate with using gel. So I tried two different methods. The first method I did was I used a base gel and then I stuck on the flowers, and that wasn't really working. The flowers weren't like setting down how I wanted them to. So this is the second method that I used. I just buffed the nail and I used my nail glue, my KDS nail glue, and I glued down the flowers to see if this would get the flowers to lay flatter on the nail. And it really wasn't much of a difference. I'm going to show you guys like the difference right here. And also this glue, when I was patting it down on the nail, it did rip off a petal off my flower, so I didn't really like that. But yeah, these flowers really are meant to be encapsulated in acrylic because acrylic is a lot thicker, but I still managed to get it done using gel and what I had. So this is how it looks. The shiny nail is using base gel, and then the other nail is using my glue. Now here I'm going to be taking some gold flake. This is some gold flake that I just shredded up and put in that little glass container. And I'm going to be applying gel base coats on the nails right on top of those flowers. And then I'm going to put some gold flake around those flowers. So once I am done carrying all of that, I am taking a builder gel in a bottle and I'm applying a really good amount of that on the nails. But with builder gel, I really try to focus it in the middle of the nail because it does spread kind of fast. So I lay most of the product down on the middle and then just kind of let it do its thing over to the corners of the nail, because that's the problem that I found using builder gel. This could make your nails look really thick and like really wide, if that makes sense, because all the gel spills over to the sides. So I really focus it in the middle and then just kind of feather it a little bit on the sides. But yes, once you're done with that, I did this twice. So I did one layer and then I cured it and then I did another layer. And once that is all cured, you want to make sure it's nice and cured. I took the nails off the stand and I took a file and I just started filing down the nails gently. I know on the video it looks like I'm doing it kind of rough, but I'm really doing it gently. And I'm filing those sides because I want to get my shape back, my tapered square shape. I kind of lost it with that builder gel, but I'm shaping them up and that's how they look afterwards. I actually used a file on them and a buffer. And this is a little trick that I do when I'm working with encapsulated nails. I use some cuticle oil and I put a little bit of that over the nails, just so when you put your top coat, it doesn't look foggy. It doesn't make the nails look foggy. But the trick is to use a very little bit amount of that and then just rub it in with your finger on top of the nail. Here I'm taking my little bow charms and I'm going to be using my McCart rhinestone glue, and I'm going to take my little white bow and I'm going to really secure that on the middle fingernail. Now you want to take any of your favorite gel top coat and apply that over all the nails. I go around my bow, but I know some people do put it over their bows to further secure it, but I kind of like my bow staying matte, so I just go ahead and put it around my bow. But yes, you guys, I'm using the iGel Beauty No Wipe Gel Top Coat. This is one of my faves. And also the Koopa No Wipe Gel Top Coat is also my fave. And you could find that one on Amazon. You can actually find both of these on Amazon. And yeah, I just really love them. This is the finished result, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.